Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back. So today we're going to be filming a video where Matt gets ready for prom because he never got to wear a dress for prom and have the typical high school girl experience. He always had to do the guy experience.
Boring.
So now we're gonna flip-flop it. We're gonna do makeup, accessories, outfit, pictures, the whole shablam.
Hair. Just kidding, there's no hair.
I can like put my hair on your head. Yeah. Like and subscribe, click the notification bell.
Follow us on Instagram.
Comment if you have any video suggestions and comment your favorite look. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And we're gonna rub it on his face now. Now we're gonna go in with the only foundation I have, which is the Matte and Poreless Maybelline Fit Me. And this is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And then we're gonna do the Hoola Bronzer, because I don't have contour, and the Tarte Party blush. That's what it says. And it's gonna look good. The dog's barking, but I don't have time to care about that. Laura Mercier translucent setting powder under the eyes and everywhere. I'm gonna do eyebrows with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Now we're gonna wipe the bake off, and then we'll be back with eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Tartelette in Bloom palette. So we did eyeliner with Maybelline Precise, this one, and then we did mascara, Estee Lauder, free sample, and then we did lashes with the classic Ardell Wispies, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Close your eyes. Yeah. Okay. There it is.
I feel very misted.
Yeah, I did a lot, you know?
Look at that blinding.
Whoa.
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 No highlight needed.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna use the Anastasia Glow Kit Moonchild. It's making a mess. Anastasia Glow Kit Moonchild. And I'm gonna mix the shades Star and Pink Heart. Actually, no, because you have a purple dress, so I'll do Star and Purple Horseshoe mix. See ya. And we're gonna use the Milk Makeup Lip Maquillage.
Guys, I'm so pretty.
You are, you're gorgeous. We added some fun accessories.
Ow. It really hurts. Like I'm actually gonna like I might die. But it's okay. We're just gonna go.
It's like a corset for your neck.
We are just gonna go get some cute footage, take some cute pics, and then hopefully I'll live through it.
My hands look like this, so his eyes can look like that. We darkened the makeup look. We added some gold accessories. And yeah.
This is our second dress.
New lip. So, those are the two looks.
Junior and senior.
Yeah, comment down below which one you like better. Like and subscribe, put the notification bell on if you want to see new videos from us. Follow us on Instagram at Sarah Scott with 3 T's, Sarah with an H.
At MattieCole1, MatteCole1.
Yeah, and I hope you had a wonderful prom, and if you didn't, you know, that's okay. I hope you got some bomb photos.
That is the only important thing.
Yeah.